There's a perception out there that perhaps in this case the Fed is something of a hammer in search of a nail because the latest consumer spending reports, as you suggested, don't seem to show any kind of demand problem in the U.S. And when you look at mortgage rates, auto lending rates, they've all come down. And so wondering exactly what problem lower capital costs will solve.
So you're absolutely right. The performance of the economy has been reasonably good. The position of the economy is as close to our objectives as it's been in a long time. And the outlook is also good. What we've been monitoring since the beginning of the year is effectively downside risks to that outlook from weakening global growth, and we see that everywhere, weak manufacturing, weak global growth, now particularly in the European Union and China. In addition, we see trade policy developments, which at times have been disruptive and then have been less so, and also inflation running below target. So we see those as threats to what is clearly a favorable outlook, and we see this action as designed to support them and keep that outlook favorable. And frankly, it is a continuation of what we've been doing all year to provide more support against those very same risks.
But the follow-up question is, how does it do that? How does cutting interest rates lower, or how does cutting interest rates keep that going, since the cost of capital doesn't seem to be the issue here?
I really think it does, and I think the evidence of my eyes tells me that our policy does support. It supports confidence. It supports economic activity, household and business confidence, and through channels that we understand. So it will lower borrowing costs. It will work, and I think you see it since we noted our vigilance about the situation in June. You saw financial conditions move up, and you saw, I won't take credit for the whole recovery, but you saw financial conditions move up. You see confidence, which had troughed in June. You saw it move back up. You see economic activity on a healthy basis. It seems to work through confidence channels as well as the mechanical channels that you are talking about.